Hi everyone, in this video, we're gonna compare Descript and Tella. Which screen recording tool is best for you? Whether you're a coach, a content creator, a course creator, or someone who likes to create videos using your screen or just your camera. My name is Novi, I'm a freelancer and a content creator. And in today's video, we're gonna look at Descript and Tella. Alright, so first, let's see the pricing. So before you sign up, you have to look at the pricing. So before the features, let's see the pricing first. So this is the Descript pricing plan. You can start for free. It also has a hobbyist plan where you can export at 1080p watermark free, creator plan where you can export at 4K watermark free, and all these AI tools, transcription hours per month. And it also has business plan at $50 per month, where you can have free basic seats for collaboration, unlimited access to full professional AI suite, and so on and so forth. While Tella's pricing plan is simple, easy to understand, and very much affordable. So as you can see, $12 per month. You can start for free for 7 days for a free trial, and $12 per month. It's $8 if you use my link in the description section, so you get 30% off. So hurry and get it now. While the premium plan is $39 per month or $34 if you use my link. So here it's very straightforward and the pricing is very simple to understand. Unlimited videos. Everything is unlimited and you can export your video to 4K resolution. And you also have a team workspace where you can invite your team members to record and edit video with you. So it has collaborative editing feature. So that's per seat. So if you have 2 members plus another $8 per month, that's still very affordable. That's only $16 per month. So yeah, get my link now. Okay. All right. So now let's see the interface. All right. So now let's compare the user interface or the UI. Descript is powerful but dense. As you can see, actually opening it feels like walking into a studio mid-session. It's amazing once you figure out what everything does. Okay, so I tried this recent project. So this is the dashboard. So it asks you what do you want to do. If you want to edit a video, clean up audio, make a podcast, add captions, create social clips, fix eye contact, transcribe a file, or translate and dub video. So there are a lot of things that you can do with Descript. It also has a AI video maker where you can watch AI make your video with voiceovers and visuals. So there's a lot of features inside the app. While Tella has this very simple interface where you will not be confused. You can just record and once you hit preview, this will be the interface that you're going to work with. So the editing buttons are right here on the right corner of your screen. The trim button where you can edit your video through AI. Just remove the buffers, remove silences, remove filler words, and edit your video using the transcript, just like that. And you can also use zooms, where you can generate zooms or add manually. And you can also change the layout into one click. That you can change the background, you can change the border, just like that. You can add subtitle, you can mirror, or you can crop the screen. So that's how Tella looks like. So yeah. I've been using Tella for 1 year already and I've made a lot of videos. So everything in my YouTube video is made with Tella. So if you want to try Tella too, you can just use my link to get 30% off. Okay, so this is Tella. This is Descript. When you edit the video with Descript, this is how it looks like. So with Tella, it's very straightforward. All the buttons are right here. With Descript, name your creation, upload a file, paste a YouTube link, record, create with AI speaker, import from Zoom. So you have lots of options to edit a video or to create a video. So if you are someone who does a lot of things, like you want to record, you want to create something from your AI, or you want to import from Zoom anywhere, just use Descript. But if you're just into simple recording, fast editing, and simple sharing, exporting, just go with Tella. It's more affordable, it's easier, and it's faster. Okay, so now let's go to exporting. Makes it fast to share with a single link. Just click share, and you can just copy the link and share it to your teammates or your team members. Anyone with the link, workspace members, and you can also set a password for the access to your video. All right, so this is how you export. All right, so now let's compare the exporting options of each tool. So with Tella, it's very straightforward. Just click the download button and this one will pop up. So just choose 4K resolution, 30 FPS, and hit download. So you can export your video fastest with Tella. And with the script, just click export. So just export the video, choose your destination, choose your export options. The resolution should be max, but if you're on a free plan or you're in a hobbyist plan, it's 1080p. You can export your video to 4K if you are on the creator plan. Quality will be high, should be high. So there are a lot of things you need to click. Just click like that. I actually like fast creation, editing, fast publish. That's why I choose Stella. But if you're someone who likes to do everything with a process which is a bit techy or lots of things going on, then you can choose Descript. Okay, so which one's right for you? You can choose Descript if you need powerful editing tools, if you work on podcasts, long form content, or anything audio heavy. And you also secretly enjoy tech puzzles. Now, choose Stella if you want to record quickly and look good doing it. And if you also want to have that aesthetic screen recording videos, that's me. I like it simple, I like it fast. Choose Stella also if you create lessons, updates, or YouTube videos, courses, and you want it simple, you want it straightforward, and you prefer clarity over control. So yeah. If you want to choose Stella and if you want to try it, you can just use my link in the description section. And I'd be happy to share any tutorials or if you have any comments about Tella, you can just type in the comment section below. Okay, so here's the bottom line. If you're making educational content or tutorials and want to finish faster, go with Tella. But if you love crafting every detail and want to turn your laptop into a studio, Descript is the better fit. Personally, I use Tella for quick, clean course recordings, YouTube videos like this, and yeah, I choose Tella. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!